Okay, so this is an unboxing video. Unfortunately, I already unboxed it, of this Pittsburgh 3-ton floor jack that I got at Harbor Freight. This is not the low profile. I'm going to be using it to lift up this SUV, which is about 5,300 pounds or 5,800 pounds. I forgot what it is, but I believe it's 5,300 pounds. So I got a 3-ton, which covers about 6,000 pounds. Basically, I'm in the process of putting the pump handle together, and basically, first to start off with, you have to remove this this bolt right here, and it's a 10 millimeter. It's a 10 millimeter bolt, which I just used a ratchet to open. All right, so once you connect up the handles, you get a long handle, and disappointed there's really nothing holding it over here. So over time, this could come out loose. So I think every time you use it, you want to make sure that it's nice and tight. And now we're going to stick this edge into the jack. Okay. Now before you can attach the handle onto this, you have to remove this pin, which was holding the socket down horizontally. If you look at the video earlier, it was horizontally. So you basically have to push it down further. So push this entire socket down further to loosen up this pin, and then wiggle it out so that this thing comes back on. Once this thing comes back up, it's very difficult to push it back in. And then there's this set screw right here. So you just basically loosen the set screw and push the handle in, like so. And once it's in, tighten the set screw. Okay. After you put the handle in, you try lifting it. You want to make sure it doesn't come off. And then you tighten it by the valve by turning it to the right, and then you can raise it. It's very quick. And then to let it go, just turn it to the left, and it goes back in. And tighten it. You turn it to the right again. So the bleeder screw is inside the handle, and you can tell by it's like a socket that just goes in and fits right in. And that's all there is to it. So with that in mind, let's give it a try.